So we are taking now more problems on composition. F function is given from the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 3, 4, 5, 9. Second set G is another function going from 3, 4, 5, 9 to 7, 11, 15. F2 is given 3, F3 is 4, F4 and F5 have image 5, G3, G4 have image 7 and G5, G9 is 11. My question is find out GOF and FOG. So when you think about GOF, what first function is F? F means it will be here. This is your function F. F will go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it will come 3, 4, 5, 9. And G is going from 3, 4, 5, 9 to what it will be? It will be 7, 11 and 15. Then this function will be what? It will be G composition F. Now check here. F2 is given as 3. F2 is 3. Sorry, here in this case, F will be having 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is missing here. F1 is not there, so keep it, remove it. Now F2 given as 3. F3 given as 4. F4 and F5 both are given as 5. Then G3 and G4 are 7. G5 and G9 are 11. Now my question is, you should find out G composition F. From where to where? It will go from this set to this set. That will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 7, 11 and 15. And when you take GOF, what will be the element here? Just take 2 having image 3, 3 will have 7. So 2 will have the image 7. So we will say 2 comma 7 is the first pair. 2 will have the image 7. 3 again going with 7. 4 will be going with 11. 5 again going with 11. Then this is called G composition F. Now if I say F composition G, then the diagram has to change. In that case, first set will be G. When you say it is F composition G, then first will be G. 3, 4, 5, 9. And here it comes 7, 11 and 15. So this is your set G. Then F comes out to be 2, 3, 4, 5. And here it will be 3, 4, 5, 9. This is your set F. This will be the function if we want, but check whether it is possible or not. When you think about G first, G3 and G4 have element 7 as the image. But problem is 7 is missing here, 7 is not here. Same way 5 and 9 has the image 11 and they are also missing here. So that means 3 will not have the image, 4 will also not have the image, 5 will not have the image, 9 will also not have the image. So we will say in this case FOG does not exist. Why it does not exist? Because range of this, what is range of G in this case? Range of G, that is coming as 7 and 11. And domain of F, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this a subset of this? It is the condition I told you. So I should say 7, 11 is not a subset of 2, 3, 4, 5. And when this condition fails, we will say FOG does not exist. So this is another question we should keep in mind. So you can try, and it's better you do these questions by the diagram. It will be more clear. 2, 3 questions are there in NCERT like this. Please do that. You can do it easily. Another function is function going from real number to real number, and where fx is given as modulus of x. and g is again going from R to R, and gx is modulus of 5x minus 2. My question is, find out what is FOG function and what is GOF function. We want F composite G first. FOG, when you take first function is G, so domain is R. Second function is F, the codomain is R. And then we go for F composite Gx will be F of Gx. Or I should say F of modulus of 5x minus 2. Gx is this, so I'll place it here. And fx is modulus of it. So what I should write, it is modulus of 5x minus 2. Double modulus have no meaning. We should write this as 5x minus 2. Same way when you go for G composition F, that will also go from R to R. And then we go for GOFX will be G of Fx. Then I should say G, this will be modulus X. G, if it is modulus X here, then what I get here, modulus of 5 times modulus X minus 2. Is it right? So this way you will be having the second function. This is modulus 5 of modulus X minus 2. And this you can solve it further. What that is, just check here. This is modulus X, so if X comes negative, I should say it is minus 5x minus 2. And when x comes greater than or equal to 0, it will come out to be 5x minus 2. So this will be the second modulus. So second modulus is there. So we have converted one modulus in the question. Now coming on one more question note here. If function is going from real number to real number and fx is given as 3x square, x square minus 3x, plus 2. My question is, find out f composition fx. Means in this case, first function is f, second is also f. We should find out f composition f. So when you start this, f composition f will go from real to real. There is no problem. Then I get it f of fx here. F of fx, fx means x square minus 3x plus 2, right? Yeah, x ho gaya, this is x now, so fx is this. So what I should write here, this total x will be placed here. So wherever x comes, we will write this, x square minus 3x plus 2 whole square minus 3 times x square minus 3x plus 2, and this is plus 2. So you can get the result this way also. So this will be another composition they can ask. One more question we will take. This is an NCERT problem. Yes, this is another good question we have. Function is going from a to b. Fx is 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. G is another function going from b to a. Gx is 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3. We have to prove GOF is identity function a. And FOG is an identity function from B. So that means this is an identity from A to A we should get. This is identity function B to B. Identity function we have done that each element has itself as the image. So that we have done. Now we'll do it, then it will be more clear. First we go for GOF. GOF means first function is F. So it will go from A to B. This is function F. Then we'll go from B to A, this is G function. Okay, then this function will be called as G composition F. So one thing is clear that GOF will go from A to A. We have decided this. Then I go for GOFX. What the result says, G of Fx here. When you think about G of Fx, we should write this as G Fx. Fx is what? This 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. So this is gx now. And now in x place, this will be the result. So I should write this as 7 times of 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7 plus 4 by 5 times of x. X will be this again. 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7 minus 7. Or when you solve it, it will come out to be 5x minus 7. 7 3 21x plus 7 4 28, then plus of 20x and then minus of 28. Same with the denominator, 5x minus 7 will take, so it will count 15 of x plus of 20 minus of 35x plus of 49. 5 3s are 15. This is minus 7. Yes. So 5x minus 7 get cancelled out. Something wrong we are doing. 3x plus 7, 5x minus, this is 5x minus 3 is here. Sorry, this is 3. So if it is 3, then it come out to be 15x and 7 3 21. Now when you solve it, what this comes, G O F X, G composition Fx come out to be 21 plus this 28 gone, so 41x. Denominator comes out to be 15, 15 cancel out, it is 41. So it is come out to be x. Now is it an identity function? Yes, and it is going from A to A. So directly I should say G composition F is IA. So this is the GOF coming as IA. Now when they say FOG, what changes here? They'll just check. FOG means first function is G. G goes from B to A and then it will be going from A to B. And this function is going as FOG. So when you go for FOG, it will go from B to B. This function will go from B to B and then we solve it now. FOGX comes out to be F of GX here. GX is what? This is the value. This will be F of 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3. And it is x now, so x will be here. So we will write 3 times 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3 plus 4 divided by 5 times 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3 minus 7. And now when you solve it, just check what the result comes. It come out to be 3 7 21x plus 12 plus of 20x minus of 12 divided by 5x minus 3. Here we will get 7 5 35x plus 20 minus of 35x plus of 21. This 12 gone, 5x minus 3 goes with 5x minus 3. 35 gone with 35, so I got it 41x by 41 come out to be x. So we got now FOG function is coming as identity function from B to B, so it is an IB we have. So this way you can have the composition of function. One more question. This is another NCERT problem. Function f is going from R to R, fx is minus 1 when x is less than 0. 0 when x is equal to 0 and 1 when x is greater than 0. G R to R is greatest integer function gx. Question says FOG and GOF coincide on this. Coincide on this means when their domain is this, they coincide. Means we are taking x, which you are taking here, should be in the interval -1 to 0. Means their domain I am going to discuss only on this. Other part we are not taking. So we will say now f composite gx will be f of gx. F, this will be greatest integer function here, and now keep in mind greatest integer is coming between -1 and 0. -1 included, but 0 is not included. So when you take any number here, your answer come out to be -1. So it comes out to be f of -1. And then f of -1 means it is a negative value. Negative value less than 0. What is my answer? It's coming -1. Then we go for G composition fx. We should write G of fx here. Fx when I take now, it is between -1 to 0 means it's a negative number. Negative number means inside value come out to be -1. And if it is -1 means greatest integer -1 is here. And greatest integer -1, your answer is -1. So FOG and GOF both are coming -1. GOF is coming FOG, but only in what case? When x belongs to -1 to 0. So this is the topic we have completed, that is called composition of function. One small topic left on this, that is inverse of the function, we will take next time.